Vroom, vroom! The red dump truck races along, full of soil. Oh no! The road has ended. Its front wheels stop right at the dangerous edge. Whoa! It falls right into the river. Splash! After losing all its soil, it floats helplessly down the river. Now, a green mixer truck appears. Whir, whir! It drives along, spinning its drum. Oops! It hits a little stone and flies into the air. Spinning and tumbling, it falls into the water. Kerplunk! The mixer truck is upside down now, drifting next to its friend. Here comes the super strong yellow bulldozer. Rumble! But even the mighty bulldozer can't stop on the slippery edge. Oh no! With a big cloud of dust, it plunges into the water too. The heavy bulldozer sinks deep, all the way to the riverbed. All three friends are trapped in the river and can't move. What will they do? Look! Far over the hill, a blue truck appears. Could it be? It's the blue tow truck, here to save the day. It's finally here. The blue tow truck bravely drives towards the dangerous riverside. It moves its crane, figuring out how to rescue its friends. Okay, first rescue. The crane extends and lowers its hook. Underwater, it finds the dump truck and hooks on tight. Clank. Heave-ho! It powerfully lifts the wet dump truck. The first rescue is a success. Now, it carefully places the truck onto safe, dry land. Without a rest, it moves to rescue the second friend, the mixer truck. As the crane lifts the overturned truck, it spins back upright. Now, two friends stand side by side, watching the final rescue. The most difficult rescue, finding the bulldozer at the bottom of the river. Wow! With a mighty pull, it finally lifts the heavy bulldozer out of the water. Thanks to the hero tow truck, all three friends have been rescued safely. The friends shake their wheels, wiggling the last drops of water off. Now they follow the tow truck, leaving the dangerous river behind. Four brave vehicles heading towards a bright future together.
On a road so sunny and bright, three little trucks a happy sight. Red and green and yellow too. Vroom, 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 the whole day through. Red dump truck was driving fast, a happy moment meant to last. But the road ahead gave way. Splash! He fell in, oh what a day. Help me was his cry as he floated slowly by. Green mixer bounced upon the stone, and with a little whir and groan, yellow dozer slipped and slid right into the place he hid. Now all three friends were in the stream, a very scary, watery dream. But wait, who's coming strong and true? It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you will save them once again. Down goes the hook with a little clink, pulls red dumper from the brink. Then green mixer spinning round is placed back safely on the ground. And yellow dozer from the deep, while his two friends watch and cheer. Hooray, he's coming strong and true. It's the brave tow truck, painted blue. Go, 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 blue tow truck, go, lifting friends up from below. With your mighty hook and crane, you have saved them once again. Three little trucks are safe and sound on the solid, happy ground, following the hero blue and bright, driving off into the light. Vroom, 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 the adventure's done. Help